Well, we do a lot of like hands-on activities. We just finished our vision board project where we just like put out what we want to do when we get older and how we're going to get there. We do a lot of like business scenarios, and we work in departments, which is why we have like these cubicles and stuff. So you get the opportunity to like realize what a real business is and like how it functions.
We do all kinds of things in this class, but I don't think it's what people expect, because when you come in here, for me, I was thinking it was going to be like a lot of paperwork and stuff like that, but really Ms. Prim does a good job of teaching you how to form relationships with people, because I think that's super important when starting a business. One of the main things we focus on is like people skills in this class and how to form connections between other businesses to kind of help you get started, which I think is super important if you want to be successful.
Well, they taught us how to do an interview, and I just like got my first job, and it was really helpful knowing like what to expect going in, and like you learn how to tie, like a good handshake, just like very good people skills and like what you need in the real world. So I feel very prepared to like go out of high school and like go into college and stuff.
For me, when I went into high school, I had no idea what I wanted to do or who I wanted to be when I got out. And some of the best advice I got was, even if you don't know what you want to do, the best thing you can do is know how to run a business, because that can never hurt you, it can only benefit you, and it can only benefit what you want to do in your life. So that's probably what I would tell them.